Xarelto was approved by the Food and Drug Administration in 2011 as one of the newest blood thinning medications on the market. It was approved for the use in preventing pulmonary embolism, deep vein thrombosis, and to prevent blood clots in people after they've had hip or knee surgery, and for treating people with atrial fibrillation, where there's an irregular heartbeat. Many doctors around the country are concerned because reports of excessive bleeding by Xarelto users. These side effects can be debilitating and at times have even caused death. If you or a loved one are experiencing side effects from the use of Xarelto, or if you've lost a loved one unexpectedly and you believe Xarelto may have been the cause, please call us. We're available to answer your questions. We've been involved in pharmaceutical litigation and have been successful and are prepared to work hard for you. If you have any questions, please call us now. There's no charge for a free consultation.